welcome to Real Maya channel. Today I'm going to show you a breakfast or evening or dinner recipe. So it's Besan, or in Marathi they call Pitla. Like my mom and does Pitla and they eat with roti, and my in-laws they make this as Besan and they eat with dosa. So both the recipes are almost similar. Ingredients: half onion chopped into small pieces and one potato. This is optional, and like I like to add more veggies, that's the reason I added potato, and a handful of cilantro and few curry leaves and green chilies chopped, 3 green chilies chopped into small pieces. And here is the basin. I already mixed water into it, and the spices needed: turmeric, a pinch of turmeric, and 1 spoon pink salt or any salt will work, and 1 spoon ginger garlic paste, and 1 spoon together mustard seeds and cumin seeds. And this is for tempering. And this is optional. This is tamarind water. Like I've soaked the tamarind and taken out the pulp, and this is water left over. And we need some, I'm going to add some oil. And I'm going to add all together. Mix them. I'll turn on the heat and mix them. Once this gets heated, then I'm going to add my veggies. Once the oil is heated, I'm going to add all veggies into this: potatoes, green chilies, and onions. I'll mix them well. It's been sitting here for 2 minutes. And I'm going to add tamarind water and let it cook for 1 minute. Once tamarind water is hot, then I'm going to add some hot water. It depends on the quantity you need. We eat lots of veggies. So I already added hot water. Once it comes to boiling point, then I'll be adding the basin, or which I already added water into this. Over the stove, because if it is too hot, then I'm going to show you, it's going to bubble and that will fall on us. That's the reason I turned it to very slow simmering heat. And mix it well and just wait for a couple of minutes. So we need to be careful, never do this on high flame, and try to keep as low as possible. And I have used here whole chickpeas, the black chickpea, like there is skin on it, so it's little black color. Otherwise usually it is without skin, but due to more fiber content I prefer to use this. It's almost done. Let me plate it. It's time for taste test. It's very tasty. You should try this. If you like my video, share with your friends and subscribe my channel. You can eat this even with puri, roti or dosa, or even sometimes like even on dosa they use as a spread chutney. They even call Besan chutney. So there are so many options for this. Even with the rice, I could like to enjoy mixing with the rice and eat as side dish. So thank you for watching. See you with next video.